Welcome to another Vellum tutorial. Today we'll be talking about written notes. You can use written notes to format letters set in handwritten fonts. In this book, a letter has been formatted using simple italics. To enhance this letter's appearance, let's use the written note feature instead. To add a written note to your book, select the entire letter in the text editor. Next, select Written Note from the Text feature menu. With our letter formatted as a written note, let's configure its content. The paragraphs in a written note can be formatted independently. Each paragraph will be indented by default, but you can assign a different alignment or inset amount using the pop-up menu to the right of each component. To make this note appear more like a letter, let's right align its dates and left align its salutation. We'll use the deep inset option for our letter's closing. As we make these changes, they'll be reflected in the live preview on the right of the screen. With the content of our written note configured, let's look at styling options. You can do this by navigating to the Styles pane. In the style you've selected for your book, press the Configure button. Then select Written Note. Here you'll see a carousel that contains 9 different styling options. Use the arrows on the right and the left to browse these options. Once you've added written notes to your book, you can find them quickly using the Find Special tool. To use this tool, click on the magnifying glass at the top right of the toolbar in the text editor. In the menu on the left, select Find Special. Using the 2 menus in the middle of the screen, select Text Feature and Written Note. Now we can use the arrows on the right to quickly find written notes throughout our book. To sync the preview with the text editor, go to the main preview menu and select Show Editor Content in Preview. As you may have noticed, this book contains correspondence between different characters. In these cases, you might want to use different styling for the notes from each character. You can choose between 3 different variant options in the Written Note Gear menu. Let's use Variant 2 for William Collins. Once you've assigned variants to written notes, you can return to the Styles pane to configure the appearance of each variant. Congratulations! You've added a written note to your book. If you have questions, feel free to contact us. The best way to do this is by going to the main Help menu and selecting Contact Vellum Support.